Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of Plan an Essay with me. I'm going to show you how I wrote a rough outline while preparing to write a paper on Gothic elements in Edgar Allan Poe's short story, The Telltale Heart. I recommend that you watch part 1 of this video. I put the link in the description box down below just to see what I did before outlining. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already selected a couple of quotes that I'm going to use from the Telltale Heart in my essay, and now I'm just going to write a couple of bullet points of analysis for each quote. So I actually work backwards. I plan my body paragraphs first, then I plan my introductory paragraph. So first I'm going to describe the structure of the introduction, which will start out with a broad abstract idea or the theme that I'm focusing on. Then we'll go into background information on the short story, and then my thesis, which is really described in part 1 of this video and how exactly I came up with the thesis. So you can see here that I just wrote a couple of bullet points on what exactly the theme is that I'm focusing on in this paper, and just a little bit more background information on the Telltale Heart itself. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more writing tutorials, and tap the bell to receive notifications. Comment down below and tell me what other types of essays you'd like to see me plan or write step by step. I will see you next time.